In this video, I'm going to show you how to record MIDI in LMMS. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to connect your keyboard to your computer. So first, close down LMMS, make sure it's not open, the software is completely closed on your computer. Then you want to plug it in, and then you want to reopen LMMS. You want to go to the Edit tab up top, go into Settings, and then go and click on this keyboard, and then from here, select your MIDI keyboard under MIDI interface. When you do that, click OK. It's going to prompt you to restart LMMS again. Do that, click on OK, just close it down and restart it again. And whenever you do this, you want to go and basically add a track on here. I'm going to use this triple oscillator. You, of course, could go to instrument plugins and do whichever one you want here, completely up to you. When you have an instrument on here, you can then just click on this button over here, which is actions for this track, the settings cogwheel, and then where it says MIDI, hover over it, click on input, and then just select your MIDI input device. When you do this, you want to then click anywhere over here twice, and this will open up your piano roll. And then from here, to actually record MIDI in LMMS, you simply want to click on this record button, which says record notes from MIDI device. And you can just basically click on that, and it's going to start going through. And as you can see from now playing it over here, it's going to go and record it. Okay, whenever you're done, just click on this pause button, and you can play it again, and you'll see that's basically how it sounds. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.